Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can unsubscribe from Amazon Music. In order to unsubscribe from Amazon Music, you will need to do it from the web browser. For that, open up a web browser of your choice. After that, on the address bar, type in www.amazon.com. You can also find a link on my description box below, and after you type in the link, make sure that you're already logged in. After you're logged in, you'll be able your profile ID right on top in the left. Tap on it, and as you do that, a drop down appears, and for this, you need to slam and then go to membership and subscription. After you click on membership and subscription, it is going to take you to a page where you'll be able to see all of your subscriptions and membership. So unfortunately, in my case, I don't have any subscriptions, so in your case the interface will be different. So you need to find Amazon Music, and after that you need to tap on it. It's gonna direct you to the other interface where you'll be able to see cancel subscription or maybe renew your subscription, and you need to cancel subscription since you want to cancel it. And for the confirmation, you might be asked to go through some certain security type question. If you're sure enough, then enter in some of the information and then cancel the subscription. In this way, you can unsubscribe from Amazon Music. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.